Hello everybody, today I'm at No Frills in Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario, which is my hometown. And I took my girlfriend out shopping at No Frills and she needed some groceries. But, of course, hiccups start. So I'm going to leave the camera on while I'm pushing her cart for her and she shops. Just give it time, give it time. You need a calculator? Camera is on. Good thing it's a quiet day today. Not as busy. Oh, those are the ones I like buying. That's what I was talking about. That one day, I think it was in Metro.
Yeah. Yeah, we only got a little thing.
Yeah, but for $6, that's pretty good. You get a bunch.
Stay away from the junk. Oh, why?
I don't know. Thought it would be busier on a sale day. Well, I could place it here still. I can manage it. There we go. Got it happening. I'm not too shabby myself, especially back to school next week or a week or in 2 weeks. I forget what day it is. It's a pretty quite boring day. Oh. See, at least with my friend, she gets stuff done when we go out shopping. So that's the only part that's not boring. $0.99 for chocolate milk. Well, it's a pretty boring day. Of course, I have the hiccups, and a lot of people has been enjoying my videos, me sharing my experiences, as it's a daily thing for me, no matter what. But I'm gonna go for now, since I'm 7 minutes into my video, and my friend's almost done shopping.
I lost you.
So
I don't
yeah.
hear you hiccuping.
See? There you go. You found me. But yeah, she's almost done shopping, and until next time, I'll try my best to keep up with the videos when I can, since life can keep you busy and can get hectic, and other times you can have free moments where this can be available. Until next time, and remember, everyone, stay safe, and may there be love, peace, and happiness in your life. Have a good one.